What's up, guys? Scooch back here again. We're going to be finishing up with the Jeep, the Gladiator, so we're going to be putting the wheels and tires on today. We put the lift kit in. Everything looks pretty good. Seems like it's running pretty well. So I'm anxious to kind of get started and actually see how these wheels and tires look. They are 33s? They're 33s, right? 35s. So they're 35-inch tires. I forget the wheels that he has on it, but I'll put them in the description. If you guys like them, you can take a look and maybe order them for your Jeep. But they look really good. They're actually over here. I'll get a quick shot of them before they go on. As you can see, pretty big tire. Looks pretty good. Hand comparison. But yeah, they're pretty nice. So I'm excited for him. He should be coming down here in a minute.
Mr. Winch.
Mr. Winch? All right. All right, he's coming down the hill. I didn't do the shocks.
The front right shock is loose on the top.
Oh, really?
I'm like, no, it's making a clink sound. I'm like, what is that?
Who put that in?
You.
That was you.
Ready?
That was you. It's not finished.
That was 100% you that put it in.
Look.
Oh, that sounds mint.
This is why you do a test drive.
Yeah, you lost the socket, Nick. That's still on you.
I still want to know where the fuck it went. Like, how did it? We lost it and looked for like an hour and could not even.
And I didn't even hear it hit the ground when it came out.
No, I didn't either. I just saw it and was like, holy shit, that's it.
Yeah.
Yo.
Do you have center caps?
Yes, I do have center caps.
Oh, you do? Okay, we were wondering that.
Don't worry.
I honestly, do you think those are the same brand rims?
Icon?
No, never mind.
Yeah, I need the jack. You get the jack. I wanted to just bring it out here and do the wheels. Not you, Alec. Let Scooch get it. You can help me with the shop. Can you jack it from the middle? Can we get both wheels at once with one jack?
Let me get the other tire over here.
I don't think so.
No, the dip will be fine, but my dips are off center. That's the problem.
These are so big, you might.
You gotta just do one at a time.
You
All
might
right,
have to do one at a
this
time
one
here.
first. We'll send her.
Look how tall this is. I'm 6'1". Look how tall this tire is.
I trust you.
God. Who needs tires like
Only a
this?
35 too. I was thinking about
Only
37.
a 35.
Every time I hear
You
you
are
say truck, I'm
ridiculous.
like,
You want to leave the stickers on too, like the Stance Boys?
Ow, dude! You see that?
Did you hit your head on the bar that you installed?
Oh, yo, turn that. Yeah, I see you. I see you, Mr. Mogu.
That jack sounds so reliable.
Extremely refuses to stop squealing.
Yeah,
right,
we gotta take this wheel off first, Ryan.
Okay.
I know you're excited.
I thought you were. I'm actually really
I gotta
excited
tighten
to
the
see
shock.
this keep
I
that
forgot
from
to
going.
tighten the
Dude,
shock.
there's nothing better than slapping on some brand new wheels.
I know.
Yeet.
just be careful.
See you later.
See you later. All right, just tighten
Can
that
you
thing
pull
real
this
quick.
out, please?
All right.
Alec is a pro at it.
Yeah. Okay. I think I can hold a fender liner.
Just try not to jiggle the truck.
Maybe I'll lose the fucking 18 again. That's why we never fucking finished tightening this.
Is it really?
Didn't we get distracted by this? Was the lunch point, wasn't it?
Yep.
I think it was.
Yeah.
That explains it.
Yeah.
She's loose, dude. She is so
Oh,
loose.
she's choochy.
She's looser than
loose as a goose.
Riley Reid.
That's pretty loose.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit.
We're gonna get copyrighted for that, I bet.
Riley Reid is watching the install for
Yes.
Jeep Gladiator.
I swear to God, if
She
somebody
bought one,
that
you don't
famous is watching my videos, I've done something right.
That's when you know you've reached.
Right.
Fame.
A new level of fame. Actually, Jeep watching my videos is already. I didn't even know he knew I was doing it. So I'm like, thank you.
I watch your videos too.
I know, but you subscribed. Jeep didn't know how to subscribe. All right, you good?
I hope that the shock's on now.
All right, that looks good to me. All right, put the tire on.
Oh yeah, bud.
All right, let's do it.
You want to take a test drive, just one tire?
Yes.
Okay.
Just the front.
Hold on.
Kyle, can you be the liner up?
Yeah,
You
you wanna
have to
line
put the
her
center caps through
First?
I'm pretty sure.
What?
Rookies.
What are you doing?
The center caps have to go on first.
Because I'm pretty sure they go. Oh, do they not?
No,
Yeah,
you just slap
they
those
clip.
on.
Because mine used to go through the fucking.
No, you just slap those
Why
on.
don't they just come with it on?
There you
Yeah,
go.
you just
You
slap
should-
them
wait,
on.
let
No,
me
they just
see.
slap them on.
Why don't we just slap them on then? See? I don't think so. Those are gonna fall off. They can't go through.
No,
That looks way better.
I don't think that's how that works.
Read
Alright,
the
I don't think that's how- all
instructions.
right, just
So the
Kyle,
hole has to be on top.
Kyle, you be the liner upper.
In the bag.
In the bag.
Dude,
Somebody get
this
some
is a
lugs.
big wheel.
Yeah, it is a big wheel.
Are there air caps in there?
Big wheel for a little man.
All right, this is just the first passenger corner. I must say, quite an improvement. So, a little bit of a reference here. This is the back. So, you can see the poke on this. I mean, this is gnarly, the poke on this thing right now. It's a whole new truck just from this. So, I'm pretty stoked for Nick. I think this looks pretty good.
Up. Right there. Woo! Woo!
She on?
Yeah. What if they sent me like one lug short?
Well, I wouldn't be surprised at this point if they've messed everything else up.
Thank you. Did you have that in your pocket?
No, I just had it in my hand.
Imagine. Thanks, Alec.
Want to make sure you're not being the guy that drives around with a
I hate when people leave the sticker
I would
on.
just leave it like this.
Oh, Kyle, did you pull the other sticker off this? The one over here?
Yo, how perfect
Where
is
is
the
it?
poke?
It's good.
Negative 12 offset.
No, like this
Is
is
that, like,
this is insane.
2 inches.
This is perfect poke.
I wanted it aggressive.
This is perfect.
Nick, what kind of wheels are these? Adam wants to
2,300.
know.
It was that much?
What, the tires or the wheel?
The wheel.
Ion style 171, something like that. Tires are Kenda Clever's RT.
I'm assuming this is the most amount of money for all that.
They were some of the cheaper tires.
Or I'm assuming the bulk of your money went into the tires and the wheels there. Like, how much was the lift? Like 300?
No, the lift is only 150. The ox were 150. You know, they're 150 pop. I bought them from YouTube or more than one. Alright, let's get her on. My back. Let's clap. This looks so much better.
Whoa.
This is what my truck
Yeet.
needed.
This is ridiculous. Up. Keep turning.
Which way?
Keep
We're almost there.
rolling. Go up. Go up.
I'm trying!
Get it up.
Up. We're there. Wait, too much. Yeah!
Oh, this is so fire.
I gotta hand tie them in so I don't scratch the paint. Look how significantly faster my right hand is.
As these New England winters, they're kicking in. It's getting dark out here. Last is about to go on. All right, take her off.
Are you gonna help us or are you just gonna film?
Nick, line us up.
Alright, so there we have to have 2 at the top. Exactly.
That's 2 at the top. I hate Jeep.
Yes!
Hey, thank God.
I'm letting a shop do this next time.
God, dude, these things are so fucking.
I'm hoping there won't be a next time.
Dude, these look like 37s.
Maybe you get the wrong tire size.
Okay, I'll take it.
A wild Jeep appears.
Gee, if I want to die.
Truth is she
You wanna
dropped
take her
on the
down?
old ground here. Drop her down, Kyle.
It literally looks so much better. Look at that poke.
So meaty.
Oh no, this sticker's still on there.
That sticker's on there, that's fine. God, that looks so good. All right, you gotta tell me how you feel about it here. Get a look on the light side.
It looks so much meaner, dude. It looks like it should.
Why
Wow.
the fuck don't they come like this out of the factory?
This is the, so you know what the 30, dude, a 37 would look terrible. I think this is perfect. 2.5-inch lift level, 0.75 spacer in the rear with a 35 tire is minto. I think it's perfect. Did we put the center cap on the other side? Yeah, thank you.
Do you think they are...
Alec, what do you think about it? You hate Jeeps.
Yes.
What do you think about it?
Could be worse. No, I'm kidding. It's pretty good.
That looks pretty good.
As far as Jeeps go, I thought they were.
All right, my camera battery's about to die. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. We got Mike's GT500 1,000 horsepower Mustang coming up soon. We got some Del Sol work and some XDI work coming for you. And Nick is actually probably gonna be putting an exhaust on this within the next month or so. So, catch you next time and have a good day.